children, welcome to our English class. I hope you all are having a lot of fun. Yes? Good. Keep enjoying my classes and let's learn further. Children, in today's class, we will learn about vowel I. About vowel I. Sound of vowel I, which says E. It says E. Let us all look at the pictures when and read the words with I sound. K-I-D, kid. It's the picture of a kid. K-I-D, kid. Kid. Repeat with me. Kid. The next picture is of zip. Zip. Let's read the word. Z says Z. Z-E-P. Zip. Z-E-P. Zip. The next picture is wig. Wig are the artificial hair. They are the artificial hair. W-A-G. Wig. 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 The next picture is of lip. L-E-P. Lip. Then comes sit. S-E-T. Sit. Sit. Now we have read few I sound words. Let us all see more I family words where the consonants are added to I to form a new word. I sound. The I sound. Look and read aloud. The first I family word is E-D. I and D together forms id. Id. Bid. B-id. Bid. H-I-D says her. Her-id. Hid. Bid. Hid. The next word is kid. Kid. Kid means a child. Kid. Then comes L-I-D says lid. Lid. Lid means dhakna. Dhakkan. Then comes mid. Mid. Mid means middle. In the center. M-I-D. Mid. Then comes red. R-I-D. Red. Red. Let's look at ig family words. You know, children, when I is added to G, it says E-G. Ig. Ig. The first word of ig family is B-I-G. Together says big. Big. The next word is dig. D-I-G. Dig. Another word is R-I-G. Together says rig. R-I-G. Rig. After dig is fig. Fig is anjeer. It's a dry fruit. F-I-G. Fig. Then comes gig. G-I-G. Gig. Then comes rig. R-I-G. Rig. After rig is wig. W-I-G. Wig. Wig. Let us all read in words. I-N says I-N. In. B-I-N. Bin. Bin. D-I-N says D-in. Din. F-I-N says F-in. Fin. Similarly, P-I-N says P-in. Pin. After din is pin. Pin. Then comes F-in. Fin. Fin. The next one is tin. Tin. And the last one is win. Win. W-I-N. Win. Let's look at ip family words. I-P together says ip. As in dip. D-I-P. Dip. 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 The next one is lip. 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 L-I-P. L-E-P. Lip. Another one is T-I-P, which says tip. T-I-P. Tip. And the last one is sip. S-I-P. Sip. S-I-P. Sip. Let us look at it family. I-T together says it. As her it. Hit. Her it. Hit. Hit. L it. Lit. Lit. P it. Pit. Pit. S it. Sit. Sit. Very good, children. Now, we have learned so many words with I family like lit, pit, sit, fin, in, bin, big, fig, kid, and lip too. So children, now it's time to read them again and again and find more new vocabulary words. Children, now it's time for me to say bye-bye.